Right, here's another video from my No Frills playlist. Videos that are designed to maximise marks in exams for you. This video is about Newton's first law. So the main things to know is, what is Newton's first law? Know what happens to the motion of an object when there are balanced or unbalanced forces on it. And a little challenge for higher tier only is to know what centripetal force is. Do you know who Sir Isaac Newton is? Well, he's a famous physicist and mathematician. Do you know how many laws of motion Sir Isaac Newton made? 3. So what is Newton's first law? Well, I've made a video that'll explain things a little bit more detailed. Click the link above if you need to watch it. But basically, in an exam, tell the examiner for a mark that Newton's first law of motion states that an object will remain in the same state of motion unless a resultant force acts on it. In other words, if an object is stationary, which means it's not moving, and all the forces acting on it are balanced, then the object will remain stationary. And also for another mark, if an object is moving at a steady speed and all the forces on it are balanced, then the object will keep moving at the same speed. What happens to the motion of an object when there are balanced or unbalanced forces on it? Right, I've created this table with 4 different scenarios. And if you work your way through those scenarios, you should be able to answer loads of questions that the examiner asks you about resultant forces. So this builds on my last video really. And I have actually got a video, so you can click the link above, that explains this table. What is centripetal force? Well, for 1 mark in an exam, a centripetal force is a force that causes objects to follow a circular path. In other words, move in a circle. The force acts towards the centre of the circle. So just say you've got the Earth orbiting the Sun. This is obviously not to scale. The Earth is going around in a circle, so it's moving in the direction of the red arrow at any particular point in time. Now, how does it keep moving in a circle? Well, it's because of the centripetal force, this blue force, which is constantly pulling the object toward the centre of the circle. So for 1 mark in an exam, they'll often just have an object and you've just got to draw the centripetal force. So just draw the blue arrow pointing inwards towards the centre of the circle. Make sure that the arrow is coming from the object itself. I've saw this. They'll say name a type of centripetal force. Right, well there's 3 of them: tension, friction and gravity. If you need to know anything more about that, I've got a canny little video all to do with centripetal force. Click the link that's on the screen now at the top if you want to watch that. And that's basically it. So we've covered at least 15 marks worth of content there, if you include all the resultant forces stuff as well. Now there's no guarantee that Newton's first law will be on your final GCSE exams at the end of year 11, but if they are, thanks to your willingness to work hard and find things out for yourself, developing your R&I, you should have just increased your success. So well done, work hard, be nice, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.